Traders. I hope we had a wonderful trading week. And I still hope and I still pray that you guys are going to use the weekend to prepare, to back test, to forward test, and to most of all, give it your all so you can have a great trading week that is coming ahead of us. But it's only important that we back test and that we prepare for the next trading week, which is why we're having our weekly trading outlook, which will be for the coming week. Just not sure of the date, but I'll be giving to you guys possible direction on 3 trading pairs, which is Nasdaq, Gold, and USD CAD. But before we start, make sure you like the video, share the video, leave a comment, turn on the notification bell so we can be notified every time we drop our content. If you want to trade with the broker that we trade with and how to recommend, and I guess you can click that link down below and sign up and open your account so you can trade with the best, you can trade safe, and so you can be on the safe side in your forex markets. If you want to buy an affordable challenge, then I guess you can still use the link that I've left in my bio. Or if you're looking for an affordable in-person mentorship course, then I guess you can still DM us or give us a call or WhatsApp us or just email us that you're interested, so we can plan the date, plan the time, and most of all, give you the best 2 days that you possibly need so you can grow your knowledge, so you can evolve, and so you can unleash the potential that you have as a trader. But without further ado, let me share this on all directions for you guys, and let me make sure that I prepare you guys for the next trading week. Right. So our first pay will forever be the nice guys. So looking at structure on Nasdaq, you guys can still tell that price is bearish, but with this bear structure, with the bear structure that prices gave us, price is now holding a resistance in a support range, meaning price is in a push, and now we're kind of in a possible correction. And in most cases, when price is something like this, there's a high possibility that price will continue moving to the downside based on our word, based on our structure, based on our behavior, and based on our word, on our exhaustion phase. There's a high possibility that price will continue moving to the downside. But looking at our trade idea, we're still waiting for confirmation, and this confirmation is mainly based on us having to see that are we gonna get a break above our support, above our resistance, or are we gonna have a break below our support, right? You guys get that? So if it happens that price will violate our resistance, then I guess we might look for those moves to the upside. Or if price violates our support, then I guess we might look for those moves to the downside below our support. But for now, we're simply keeping it the way we have to simply keep it. We're waiting for confirmation, which is basically us having to see, or us having to wait for price to print out what we have to react from. Do you guys get that? So second pay will be gold. So understanding our structure on gold, you guys can understand that price is in a strong bullish structure and price is in a strong bullish trend, right? Price at this all-time high resistance, price at this all-time high resistance, which was violated, right? So with price giving us a violation of that very same all-time high and giving us this new possible all-time high, so now that we're simply waiting for confirmation for the coming week like we do on the NAS, it's mainly based on us having to see what is going to happen. Based on this strong push to the upside, we're going to get an exhaustion phase in order for us to look for those possible moves to the upside for new highs. Or with this push to the upside, this price going to come back to our very same zone and give us a retest before you can look for those new possible moves to the upside. We just don't know. That's why I simply say we're waiting forward. We're waiting for confirmation. It's based on us having to see what is going to happen. Is price going to come back to retest this zone before we can look for those moves to the upside? Or we're going to get an exhaustion phase before we can look for those moves to the upside? Or we're going to have a violation? Or is price going to give us a violation of this high in order for us to look for those new possible moves to the upside? We just don't know. That's why we simply say we're waiting forward. We're waiting for confirmation. Like I said, guys, if you're looking for an in-person mentorship course, then I guess you can still give us a call, give us a WhatsApp, DM us or just comment down below or send us an email that you're interested and let us do the rest from there. But without further ado, let me share to you guys what we might be looking for on our last pay, which is USD CAD. So USD CAD, we did have an indication on our previous outlook that we simply don't have a trade idea based on how price has been looking, right? So now that price you can now see for yourselves that price gave us this reaction, price gave us a second reaction, and now we're possibly having a third reaction, right? We're having the possible third reaction, right? So just to be quite frank with you guys, we still don't have a trade idea, but for now it's not based on us not having a trade idea, but on us having to wait for confirmation. The kind of confirmation that I'll be talking about is very simple, based on the stable bottom or slash your support zone. If it happens that price stays above the support, then I guess we might look for those bullish momentum above the support. But if price gives us a violation of the support, then I guess we might look for those moves to the downside. But I repeat, it's only based on us having to wait for confirmation, and us having to wait for confirmation clearly means that we must wait for price to print out what we are going to react on as traders. Do you guys get it? But before I end the video, understand USD CAD has this intraday support. If price doesn't violate our support, then I guess we look to be bullish above support. But if price gives us a violation of that support, then I guess we'd have to look for those bear moves to the downside below my support. Do you guys get that? So this will be what I'll be willing to put on my willing to work on, and this will be what we'll be willing to do or use for the next trading week. Like I said, guys, this is not financial advice. This is just an anticipation, and this is just opinions that we share just to keep you guys updated about the markets and to what we anticipate and what we're looking for. But without further ado, thanks for choosing COT Academy. Thanks for showing love. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for tuning in. And thanks for most of all choosing COT Academy as one of the greatest YouTube channels and honest of greatest Forex institutes. But without further ado, I hope I see you guys in the next trading video, and I hope I see you guys in the next week. Without further ado, this is Super Hanam from COT, and I'm signing out.